epic unboxing today. Maybe my most epic ever. Well, my underground people, you know how I'm able to find stuff? I really do have underground people. My first one, who was on top of everything, gave me a heads up on this. And I'm like, yeah, I can't no more. September was too huge, 2022 huge. My mind can't take anymore. Second one comes along. Oh, I got this. It's legit. I'm like, I just can't do this anymore. Huge packages here. Third one comes along and tells me. I go to the website. It's sold out. And I'm like, oh. Then give up on it. A new friend comes along that's joining this underground crew that I didn't even know was part of it. Usually it's so small that usually I would know. And he's like, this is the best thing I bought all year. He contacts the perfumer. Rest is history. We're doing an unboxing. I had to. Too many people. Too many people on this one. Out of Abu Dhabi. So I always do the bulk thing. You guys know me. If I pull out the extreme one, we won't do that till last. So we'll see. I have no clue about this house. All brand new to me. Eastern, which obviously I have preferred, if you look at my track record on the channel of what I put into the collection. Nice presentation, as it should be. This is the actual one I wanted to try first. That's amazing. Tobacco. SJA Perfumes. Shatha. Alzaabi. So, such a pleasure meeting you. Check out the bottle. Wow. Beautiful. These are true first impressions. Notes don't come with this. I know it's tobacco, or I assume that would be it. Totally blind on these. Interesting. Elegant. Very elegant. And loaded with ouds in it. There's some oud, tobacco, green, like I want a patchouli kind of thing. Not too sweet, just oud. Nice oud tobacco. Light and easy to wear too. Beautiful. Very aromatic, easy to wear. Easy to wear. It's good. Very good. These will get reviews coming in 2021. I just wanted this stuff, first impressions, epic unboxing on the channel. We'll come back to that. The oud threw me off. I'm like, oh, this could be tobacco oud. It's like the Tom Ford tobacco oud a bit. I'd say it smells a little more natural. First time I've got a shipment from Abu Dhabi, UPS. So that was interesting. Got here in a week. Usually it's only DHL over there, or from the eastern places. Just beautiful bottles. Toffee. I'm going to spray this. I'm guessing a rose. Shatha, if I'm wrong on these, I'm sorry. We'll move these into full reviews. I like to do first impressions without nothing in my mind. I appreciate it when I go back and watch, so I'm assuming that the videos, you guys like it as well. And I appreciate with reviewers when they go in with nothing. It is rose. Beautiful. So, that's going to layer awesome with the tobacco one. Same thing. Very light, easy. Same base, same DNA. Very, easy to wear. Then the rose sits down really quick. The first sillage, the spray in the air, heavy rose sits on skin, which tells me that it's heavy natural. Because usually the synthetic rose is just poignant, stays, and just doesn't deviate. Easy to wear. Light, very easy to wear. I think 2021 is going to see a lot of this house. This might be the one everyone's talked about, or like the people I follow. They asked to be underground, so that's why it is what it is. And now with this year behind me, I do understand why now. It's not a bad plan as a collector if you want to be friends with everybody. I had her put together a package for me, and we agreed upon a price, and that's what it is. So I do that with a lot of houses, because if I get into a house, I at least want 3 other bottles for content. And I mean, I want to believe in the house. So that's what I do. Saves me and lets me focus on a DNA at the same time. Wow. Check this box out. That's really nice bag. I mean, this is Abu Dhabi, so the presentation over there is okay. This will be last. This is it. This is a privilege. We'll get into it at the end. Let's get into the other box. And Sufi. I'm going to keep this arm free for the other one. Is this a vetiver fragrance? Fresh, clean vetiver. Again, I mean, look at the color of the juice. Just the bottle's got me. I have nothing like that. Just amazing here. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, green. I almost want to say vetiver clean. The DNA is not off-putting. Like it's like I keep wanting this projection of ISO super, and it's not there. Like it's almost like I want to say like a water perfume or something like that. It's just amazing. And 11. Yeah. Running out of space. This is the one I wanted second to tobacco. Just what I saw. Oh man. Resinous, clean. I mean, these are good perfumes. They're all getting reviews, so you're gonna see these coming up. I don't look at the notes. I mean, it's smoky, resinous. The thing that's getting me is there's not this heavy DNA pushing it out. I was expecting this strong, overwhelming perfume that's just gonna kill me. I honestly was. I was like, please don't be that. I personally don't like it. I'm surprised they're venturing towards Dessert. I need to ask more questions. I need to learn about more stuff. Leather, just got leather on this one. Beautiful leather as everything sits down. The resin sit down. But, I mean, look at the colors. Heavy, natural perfume. I don't know if it's 100% all natural. I don't have data on that, but It's fooling me. It's well done, well blended, soft, delicate. Out of Abu Dhabi, I've tried so much stuff, I didn't know if it's just going to be this loud, overwhelming stuff. It's not. The leather bomb. Shareef Oudh. This is the collab on this one. I think this is his first perfume. Please correct me. I'm new to him. Featured him on the channel this year. The Winter Edition 2020. Musk, ambergris, civet, oud Pontianak Indonesian, oud Kalimantan Indonesian, Mysore sandalwood, bergamot, neroli from Italy, and Afghanistan, orris butter from France, and myrrh from India. Check that out. The notes, the silver. Check this out. This is why I came to her. Too many people that I know. Beautiful. Holy moly. One of the best bottles I own now. Look at that. Spray it on. Full review coming. I'm not going to give anything away. I'm wowed. I want to take my time on it. I've done a couple of these other unboxings early, and I really want to get my head around this. I'm in awe. My reaction isn't, I was expecting to talk about it and and do other stuff, but I'll give you a full review. Thanks for being on this journey. I'm chasing the best of the best. That's why I had to go for it. Be blessed.